Good morning, class. So, our lesson for today is all about polygon. Okay? Polygon. So, when we say polygon, it is a plane figure enclosed by number of line segments that are connected together by points called vertices. So, polygon is also a two-dimensional figure with lengths on each side, but with no thickness. Okay, so that is 2D. Okay, 2D lang siya. Okay, so it came from Greek words poly and gonya. Okay, poly and gonya. Poly means many and gonya means angles and corners. Ayan. So, polygon is a plane figure enclosed by number of line segments that are connected together by points called your vertices. So, polygon is also a two-dimensional figure with lengths on each side but with no thickness. Okay? It came from a Greek word. Okay? Poly and gonya. Poly means many. Gonya means angles and corners. So, if we will define your polygon by its from the meaning of its Greek word, many angles and corners, or a figure with many angles and many corners, or what? Edges. Okay? So that is polygon. Okay, so let's have the parts of a polygon. Okay? Parts of polygon. Okay? So, as you can see, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-sided polygon. This one is an irregular polygon. The sides are not with the same measurement. Okay? While here, we have here a regular polygon with sides having the same measurement. So, as you can see, these points are called the vertices. Okay? Ito yung vertices. Pag intersections, these are called your vertices. Okay? So, these are called vertices. Okay? Ito. Ayan. These this line segment are called your edge or your sides. Okay? Or your side. Same here. These are called edge or sides. Okay? These are vertices. Yan. So, if we draw a line from a vertex to another vertex, this line is called your diagonal. Okay? This line is called your diagonal. Okay? Any line from a vertex to a certain vertex is called diagonal. Ayan. So, ito, magdodraw tayo ng diagonal. Ayan. Those are called diagonals. From vertex to vertex. Okay? So, you can draw as many diagonals as long as you have vertices which are not yet connected. Okay? So, from here, we can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Basta, diagonals can be drawn from connecting two vertices. Okay? Yan. Tapos, ano pa? Ito. These are called interior angles. Dito ko na sa labas ilagay. Interior angles. Of course, yung nasa labas, o yung nandito sa labas niya, these are called exterior angles. Okay? Exterior angles. So, we can also have here, ito yung interior, ito yung exterior. So, ibig sabihin, your interior angles plus your exterior angles are equal to 360 degrees. Okay, 360 degrees. Okay, yung interior at saka yung exterior magiging equal siya sa 360 degrees. Okay? So, ito gamitin muna natin to. Burahin lang natin to. To give more of the parts. Okay? So, if we draw if we will have a point here, okay, and if we draw a line segment to a vertex, okay, this angle will be called your central angle. Okay, central angle. Lagay natin dito, central angle. Ito ha, ito, central angle. And then, if we draw a from this point, tapos ito, and ito, magkakaroon sila ng midpoint. Naalala nyo si midpoint? When we say midpoint, it will divide the line segment into two equal parts. And if we connect your midpoint to this point, we will create a 90-degree angle here. And this line segment is called your apothem. Okay, apothem. Ayan. Ito, diagonal. diagonal. So those are important parts that you should remember, important parts of a polygon. So we have the angles, exterior and interior. We have your diagonals. Yung diagonal, ito yung from vertices to, vertex to vertex. Okay? These are, the points here are the vertices, and yung sides, ang tawag ay edge or side. Okay? We also have your central angle, and we also have your apotem. Okay? Ayan. So, those are parts of polygon. So, let us define the parts. Let us define the parts of a polygon. So, when we say side or edge, these are line segments. These are line segments connected together by a common point forming an enclosed figure. An enclosed figure. So, kailangan magkakaroon ng enclosed figure. Okay? Side of a polygon serves as the boundary. It serves as the boundary making up the polygon. Ayan. So, that is the definition of your side. These are line segments connected together by a common endpoint forming an enclosed figure. It also serves as the boundary making up the polygon. Okay, next is vertex. So, vertex, these are point of intersection of two adjacent sides or edges of a polygon. So, that is the definition of vertex or your vertices.